Today we are going to show to you how the Mitto Number Insight service has been fully integrated with Salesforce CRM. First of all, what the Mitto Number Insight service does, the service provides an analysis based on the telephone number that are sitting into your CRM and provide a lot of useful information that we're going to show to you. So, for example, if I take the first contact is in here, and then once you have successfully installed our plugin, you will have a button here saying Get Number Insight, which basically will allow you to run the analysis on that specific contact. However, you can also run a massive analysis. So I already ran the analysis on this contact, and here scrolling down, you will have this form which is saying Insight of Numbers. I'm going to click on it, and here we go, the information that we provide. So first of all, we run the analysis on the numbers, and we tell you what is the country that number belongs to. So this number is UK number because the country code is 44. Then it tells us what is the original network that is coming from, which here is showing is O2. Then it does split the number into format, one into the domestic format without the country code, and here into international format with the country code. The international format is really important in case you would like to run an SMS campaign or a WhatsApp campaign on that contact. Then another piece of very important information is tell you if the number is landline or mobile. Here, this number is mobile. Then we associate to this number, and based on the information that are available, a score mark. The score mark goes from 0 to 1000, where from 0 to 500 is kind of okay, and then above 500 it starts to get high. So this telephone number has a score mark of 500, and here is reported as moderate. Another piece of very useful information is this one. So the subscriber status is available, which means that this number that is currently on my CRM is available, which means that this number is connected to the network and is active. Why this information is important is because if you run an analysis on all of the numbers that are sitting on your CRM, you can identify the numbers that are no longer in service. Therefore, you can easily remove because they are not useful anymore. Here in this session, we tell you what is the current network that the number is hosted on, which is still O2. Then here, the data enrichment, where we tell you if this number is associated to several applications. Here, for example, we can see this number is not associated to an Amazon account, but is associated to an Apple account, to an Instagram account, to Telegram. Okay, and here is there is a picture that is not available because the privacy status must be set on private. Then we can see this number is associated to a WhatsApp account, and if I scroll down, we report also the image of that telephone number, or of the image of the profile of the WhatsApp account of this specific telephone number. And moreover, here below, we can report all the information that we have showed to you into the Salesforce CRM. The service can be split into versions. The light version that's going to run a report and show to you if the number is landline, mobile, and if it's active. And the full version that is shown to you also all the other information about if that specific number is associated to any of those applications that are reported in here. Thank you very much, and hope you have enjoyed this demo.